Let us move to the next topic, that is called typedef keyword. Typedef means type definition. It's a very simple topic. The typedef keyword allows the program to create a new data type name for an existing data type. So this can also be considered as a user-defined data type. Here what we can do here is, for existing data type, we can give a new name. So existing data type means integer is an existing data type. You can give a new name. Float is a existing data type. You can give a new name. So no new data type is produced, but an alternative name is given to the known data type. So example of the definition. Typedef is written with the help of a keyword. So typedef is a keyword. Int is an already existing data type. Then I am giving a new name to int. New name to int is id number. id number. Similarly here, typedef is a keyword. Char is the already existing data type. I am renaming it to lowercase. Lowercase. So example of declaration. Instead of int x, now I can write id underscore number x. So if in a program, if I write a statement like this, you can use both. You can define using, if someone write int y, it is also valid. Y can hold an integer value. And also I have given another name to int, that is id number. So if someone write id number x, that means x can hold an integer value, because id number is a name given to integer. So all the properties are integer is there in id number also. So similarly lowercase y, it is same as char y. So the purpose of typedef is to give some meaning. So in some large programs, by looking at the name itself, you know some number is stored. So if I write int y and if I storing some y equal to, suppose I am y equal to something. So let it be y equal to some a of j. So from this I can understand what is the data type of y. It may be a character, it may be floating point, it may be integer. Sorry, you can't think in that way. So it will give more clarity. I think it is only the programmer's choice to give a new name to the data type, and it is only for their understanding purpose. No other difference is there. So here we have a keyword called typedef. What is the purpose of that keyword? That keyword can give a new name to the existing data type. New name to the existing data type. So for that we are using the keywords typedef followed by the already existing data type followed by new name or alternative name of the data type. Any doubt in typedef? Is it clear? If it is clear, please type clear in the chat box. Okay. Structure and typedef keyword. Structure and typedef keyword. So here I will try to explain with the help of the example. So I will take the already written example. Student detail on student detail. Open. Okay. Structure and typedef. Here I have written examples. Typedef struct point. Typedef struct point. Similarly here struct student. So here I have a dot. Dot. Here I have S1. Here I have S1. This S1 and this dot, the meaning is different. Here I told you S1 is a structure variable. Here S1 is a structure variable and S1 contain three fields, which can hold name, roll number and mark. Name, roll number and mark. Here dot is not a structure variable. Dot is not a structure variable. Dot is a name given to struct point. Dot is a name given to struct point or alternative name for struct point. Please understand the difference. Here S1 is a structure variable. It can hold three values, name, roll number and mark. But here dot is not a structure variable. Since typedef is given here, dot is a name given another name of point. Dot is an another name of point. Why? Because here typedef is given. Then if we want to declare some statement, here actually this S1 is a declaration along with the definition. So in this case, if we want to declare, you can use dot. Earlier we studied another method of declaring structure is like this, struct stud S1. Struct stud S1. So if you use typedef, you just use the alternative name followed by the variable, left and right. Here left is a structure variable. Here left is a structure variable, right is a structure variable, but no, dot is a name given to the structure point. So I hope you understood the difference. Is it clear? Please respond. Is the concept of structure and typedef clear? Only getting few responses. So we already studied here S1 is a structure variable. Similarly here dot is not a structure variable. Dot is actually an alternative name to structure point because here typedef is written. So in that case, if you are declaring, you just use that alternative name followed by the variables. Variables means structure variables left and right, which can hold, left can hold the value of x and y, right also will contain value for x and y. Your point means some coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So one more point is there. When typedef is used to name a structure, the structure tag name is not necessary. So here structure tag name point is there. The second example, point is not there. So that is not necessary. This one is also already discussed. So here dot is a name to the structure. So here dot is a name to alternative name to the structure point. Here there is no tag name. So the name of the structure itself will be dot. So these things are only for understanding purpose. So I am not saying these things are very important. So anyway, it is only for your understanding. So here I am writing typedef. Just try to execute. So it will not work because here S1 is alternative name given to student. So suppose I am giving some name stud. Then I am declaring the variable here. Stud S1. Now it works. how it is working. The stud is an alternating name given to the entire structure. With the help of that alternative name, I am declaring a variable S1. Now S1 is a structure variable. In that, I am trying to store data and printing data. That's all about typedef.